मुंबई टेक ओवर आई थिंक वो 90s 70s से था क्योंकि if you look at the if you look at the Indian team in 70s and 80s, there were 8 or 9 cricketers representing India from Mumbai. Not because there was anything else, it's just because of pure talent. The players who represented India from Mumbai, they were so good. So even now, if you look at it, there are a lot of players from Mumbai who are representing our country, and that has never stopped. I think Mumbai has always produced good cricketers, and eventually they play such big part in all the big tournaments that we win, whether it is in India or whether it is outside India, whether it is an ICC tournament. Mumbai cricketers have always played a big part in it. But look, every cricketer in India are quite professional. Now these days, with so much help around, good infrastructure, good academies, all these cricketers are quite professional. So I cannot draw any comparison between Mumbai and outside cricketers, but all I can say is that Mumbai cricket has such rich culture, legacy and history about Mumbai, about cricket. So I think when you are growing up to be part of Mumbai cricket, you know that you are into something which is not going to be so easy. So you better be at your best, better give everything that you have in you, because there is no easy way of getting in there. So you try and do everything that is possible, or everything that you have within you, to make it to not the Ranji Trophy, but the lower levels like under 12s, under 14s, under 16s and all that.
The city really, it truly nurtures this sport. And I think I speak for everyone sitting in this room when I say, Ata Suru Horar Asal Dhamal. My first question is, सबसे पहले तो आप ये बताइए कि मुंबई इंडियंस की शान, captain of Team India, and now the face of the T20 Mumbai 2025. How does it feel? Pressure या थोड़े chilled out से?
नहीं, pressure नहीं है. Pressure तो ग्राउंड पे होता है जब खेलते हैं. But no, thank you for this opportunity. I would like to thank MCA for getting me on board and making me the ambassador of the league. Mumbai cricket has done so much for me, not just now, but for so many years. Because of what I am today is definitely Mumbai cricket has played a huge role in that. So again, I would like to thank each one of them who's played a big part in my career personally. And yeah, look, and then whatever has happened with me, whatever I have achieved as a player, as a cricketer, a lot of credit goes to Mumbai cricket as well.
Thank you so much. Though the pehle it was announced that Wankhede Stadium now has a Rohit Sharma stand. Talia, congratulations, it's a huge thing. But now let's go back to 3 decades ago. Did this little Rohit Sharma, did he ever dream of something like this when you first started out?
No one dreams of things like this when they are just starting off playing cricket. I still remember those days when I used to stand outside Wankhede Stadium just to enter and watch Mumbai Ranji Trophy team practice. I'm talking about 2004 or maybe 2003. We used to finish our under 14, under 16 training at Azad Maidan, and then we used to, me obviously with few of my friends, we used to travel across the railway track to go and just get a glimpse of some of the Ranji Trophy cricketers. And I know how tough it was to get inside the Wankhede Stadium back then. Even now, obviously, no randoms will be allowed inside the stadium, but those were the days. I'm just trying to remember now. And then I played my first game at Wankhede. It was such a big honor because we've only watched international games being played at Wankhede. And now to go there and experience the stadium, watch some of these greats taking the field and playing there was another different experience for me. And then, since then, there has been so many memories playing at the stadium. I think in 2008 or 9, the stadium got revamped. And then we won the World Cup there, the finals. I was not part of it, but I watched it from home. It was a special feeling to watch that. And then, since then, there has been so many memorable games that has been played. And now to sit back and think that there is going to be a stand in my name, it's a unreal feeling. It is something that I never thought of, and I will be forever grateful for this big honor in my life. Like I said, when you start playing the game, you don't know how long you're going to play the game for, let alone all these milestones and achievements that you achieve while playing the game. But to get these kind of honor, having a stand named after you, it is something that I cannot imagine. But yeah, once I see my name there on the stand, it will be a very emotional moment for me. And like I said, from not having to enter the stadium and now to have a stand, it's those two moments. There is so much has happened between these two moments. So I'm forever grateful.
I'm sure it's not only an emotional moment for you, sir. It's a very emotional moment for all the fans who followed your cricketing career. Describe the attitude that you notice in the bachas who play gully cricket in Mumbai. How does that vibe affect the city? And how does that affect the game?
Well, I think that's where it starts from. Playing in your backyard, playing with your friends in your society, in your building. That's how it starts. And it started for me and a lot of the other cricketers who are playing with me. It started with them also like that. That is when you realize that you have some kind of potential to try and take yourself to another level. And we should encourage, all these kids who are playing in their backyard. A lot of the parents don't like the kids playing there for a long time. Obviously, that happens in any household because the parents want the kids to come back, study, पढ़ाई करो. जब तक आप नीचे खेल के एक दो कांचे ना तोड़ो, तब तक आपका वो बचपना जो बोलते हैं ना, हम बैकयार्ड में हमने क्रिकेट खेला है और एक दो कांच तोड़े, वो जब तक नहीं होगा ना, तब तक कुछ नहीं होगा. So I think when you're doing that, it is all about having fun because you're not competing with anyone. You're just having fun. You're playing with your friends, trying to spend your time after a hectic day in the school, just trying to relax, play with your friends. That is what actually happens at that point. And then you don't realize that suddenly there is a potential, there's a talent within you. I was told by somebody that you literally are very talented and you play the game so well, you must try and go to an academy or something. And that's how it started for me. I went and spoke to my family about it, and then we managed to get to an academy, and then from there it started.
So sir, कांच तोड़ने से लेकर रिकॉर्ड तोड़ने तक.
कांच भी टूटे थे, but कोई purposely नहीं करता. This happens only because you are having so much fun. You are into the game, and you are having so much fun. Sometimes you forget what's around you. So, as a kid, you are supposed to do that. You are allowed to do that. You are supposed to have fun. You are supposed to enjoy, because those times, those days are not coming back. Yeah. So you try and make the most of it.
Absolutely, sir. Professional level पे, is there any difference between cricketers who come from Mumbai and those who don't? And वैसे आजकल देखा जाए तो ड्रेसिंग रूम में माहौल थोड़ा कुछ मुंबई टेको in the terms of the approach and attitude, and if that is, then why? And sir, can I please request you, अगर आप मराठी में जवाब दे सकते हैं इसका? I'm sure everybody is dying to hear that.
I think Mumbai cricketers are all disciplined cricketers. जैसे मैंने अभी बताया कि it is not everyone's cup of tea to come and represent Mumbai. फर्स्ट टाइम जेव्हा मी सिलेक्ट झालेलो मुंबईसाठी मला माहिती आहे की ड्रेसिंग रूममध्ये जेव्हा मी फर्स्ट टाइम ड्रेसिंग रूममध्ये मी एंटर केलं माझे पाय कापत होते कारण की there were a lot of cricketers like Amol Muzumdar, Wasim Jafar, Nilesh Kulkarni, Sairaj Bautule, Ramesh Pawar, and all these guys were sitting there. तो मैं देख रहा हूँ आसपास कि मैं कहाँ बैठूँ, जगह मिलेगा या नहीं मिलेगा. All these cricketers, we've grown up watching them. तो suddenly अगर आप अपने आप को उनके साथ देखते हो तो you are always feeling very nervous and you don't know what to do and how to react. And I remember there were a few guys slightly older to me. They got me in. They made me comfortable. That's only because the kind of aura these guys had, the achievement that they have had for Mumbai cricket. It is only because of that. Because you could see it in their eyes that there's so much fire in their eyes and so much passion to represent the state, the city. It was. See, I cannot talk about the other states because I've never played for any other state, but I can definitely talk about Mumbai only because of the culture that was created within Mumbai cricket. And the story will tell you, I mean, Mumbai has won 42 Ranji Trophy titles. I think the next best is somewhere around 7 or 8, if I'm not wrong. So you can see the difference. Huge, it's massive. 42 and 7 and 8. I think that shows what Mumbai cricket is all about. That is why when a youngster goes in that dressing room, you feel nervous, you feel scared, you don't know how to react. But then obviously once you get in, there are senior guys in the team who will come and help you and make you comfortable.
Also from a sense of security, and they also want to, I think, nurture young talent.
Yes.
That really comes from them.
Yeah.
आपके बचपन का मुंबई क्रिकेट का सीन कैसा था आज के कंपैरिजन में?
कुछ ऐसे ही था. मैं भी अपने दोस्तों के साथ हमारे सोसाइटी में बिल्डिंग में मैं खेलता था. I used to enjoy it. आप जब क्रिकेट खेलना चाहते हो, आप सडनली यू कांट स्टार्ट एट द हाईएस्ट लेवल, which is going to the academy and all of that. You start playing cricket with your friends within the society, within the place that you live, in your backyard. You start like that, and that's how I also started. और वहीं पे मेरे को किसी ने बताया कि यार आपका गेम बहुत अच्छा है, आपको कुछ और ट्राई करना चाहिए, कहीं कोई एकेडमी में आपको जाना चाहिए. And that's how it started.
You really were recognized in the building, in your premise.
Yeah, I was. I used to get calls कि तू मेरे बिल्डिंग के लिए आज खेल आके, क्योंकि we used to play a lot of matches आपस में जो भी हमारे बिल्डिंग्स होते थे, बिल्डिंग A वर्सेस बिल्डिंग B, बिल्डिंग B वर्सेस C, वैसे तो उसके प्राइज मनी होते थे and we used to get paid to come and play. 5 रुपया 10 रुपया होता था. But it was not about that. It was about somebody recognizes your talent and asking for you to come and play for them. That was for me like, okay, अच्छा है, मेरे को बाहर से कोई बुला रहा है, तो I should go and play for them. So that's how it became more and more interesting for me to keep trying different things for the sport that I play. And ऐसे कर करके started making my way up. Yeah, sure.
What was MCA's contribution in shaping your career in the early days, and what kind of opportunities were available to you?
No, like I said at the start, without MCA, I don't think I would have been sitting here and talking about my game. When you are growing up as a cricketer, you need opportunity, you need platform, and MCA gave me that platform to come and play. I would say getting the opportunity at the right time is also very important, and I got the opportunity at the right time playing with all the stalwarts which I just mentioned, and MCA has played a big part in it, without a doubt. Not just giving me the opportunity, but also now whenever I need to go and train at any of the MCA grounds, they're always there to help, getting the pitch ready for me to practice, the gym, the pool and all of that. It is so important, for any athlete, and getting to practice is not an easy thing. You have to call so many people if the ground is available or not. But MCA always made sure that the ground is available, and so that we can go and practice. And it is, I'm not just talking about me, but also all the other cricketers who have represented India, and also the Ranji Trophy cricketers. MCA has always looked after all the cricketers.
How do you think an initiative like T20 Mumbai will help young cricketers?
I think it's a massive platform. I still remember the last 2 seasons, a few of the guys went on to play for the IPL teams, and some of them are now also playing for India. So it's a platform. Like I said, you have to be very lucky to get a platform. There are a lot of good cricketers around the world, around India, who have all the talent, who have all the potential, but the right platform is not there. And that is where I feel Mumbai Cricket is doing such a great thing of giving the platform to all these younger players, not just the younger players, also the guys who are not able to make it to the Ranji Trophy team, the under-19 teams, the under-23 teams. For them also it's such a big opportunity, because like I said, there will be so many eyeballs when the tournament begins. A lot of people will be watching it, and if you showcase your talent, next year you might be playing for one of the IPL teams, and also you never know, you might go on to play for India as well. Yeah.
Sir, I'm going to request you, the last question का answer आपको मराठी मध्ये तुम्ही द्या. Now that you're leading the country and inspiring the next generation of talent, not just from Mumbai but also from India, what do you think is the mantra for success? Something that the next generation could learn from.
माझं सक्सेस मंत्र एकच आहे की जे आज झालंय ते विसरून जावं आणि फोकस करा की नेक्स्ट डे मध्ये काय. कारण की तुमचं आजचा दिवस चांगलं जाणार खराब जाणार आपल्याला माहित नाही, पण देर इज इवन खराब केलं तर देर इज ऑलवेज अ नेक्स्ट डे. म्हणजे तुम्ही फोकस करा की नेक्स्ट डे मला काय करायचं आहे. त्यामुळे जे आज झालंय ते विसरून जावं आणि नेक्स्ट डे साठी तयार राहावं. यू हॅव टू फॉरगेट व्हॉट हॅज हॅपेंड टुडे. इट मे साउंड व्हेरी सिम्पल बट इट मीन्स अ लॉट. That you forget today and you focus on tomorrow, only because you shouldn't lose faith in yourself, and there's always an opportunity that is waiting for you the next day. Whether you have a good day, bad day, what has happened, you can't change. So wait for the next day, make sure you conquer that day, and you can only do that if you are 100% ready. So I feel don't lose hope, don't lose faith, have belief in yourself, that you can change things around.
Sports truly teaches you every day is a new day.